Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a Wim Hof breathing technique. My name is Colin. I'm 26 years old. I've been traveling the world for 5 years. I've just got back to Golden, British Columbia, and there's no time like the present to learn new things. This is something to relieve your stress, to give you more energy, and in improving yourself you're going to gain confidence and be excited about what you do. You're going to find more energy for everything you want. Now, it's all about you. It's all about how far you push it. This is something that works for me in clearing my mind, changing my day. Goes something like this. With 30 breaths in, then breath holding as long as you can, pushing yourself, pushing past your subconscious and what it tells you. Your subconscious will remind you you're running out of oxygen. You can remind it that you are fine and this is peaceful and I can be here. I am safe. You won't go anywhere. So you've been listening to your lungs, or your lungs have been working without you knowing your entire life. And it's time to change. It's time to change. So in your breath holding, ideas will come to your mind like, oh man, you need to breathe, you need to breathe. Swallow it, sit in peace, and you will find you've challenged yourself and pushed yourself, and it feels amazing. After you can't any longer, take a big breath in, listen to your body, listen when you've done good for yourself. Take a breath in for 10 seconds, holding, pushing that blood, being thoughtful of the new neural pathways you've activated in doing new things. The brain stem, which releases cannabinoids, opioids in the struggle and pushing yourself and holding your breath. You can release these naturally. You can access something that's been going on automatically your entire life. It's our one organ we can control consciously, and it affects our entire body. It's a necessity to breathe. It's one of our most important things. Thank goodness for oxygen. So, to get high on your own supply, what you want to do, 30 deep breaths, following a rhythm, and letting go. Breathing in, and letting go. When you're breathing in, you push yourself. Know that you're pushing yourself. If you want to do more breaths, less breaths, quicker breathing, slower breathing, that's all good. It's all up to you and finding it in yourself, what works. I love 30 breaths. Breathing in from the stomach, opening the chest, breathing in from the mouth. Tons of oxygen, and letting go. Letting go of what you're holding on to and continuing the rhythm. You will experience change. 8 to 10 breaths, you'll get lightheaded. Totally normal. Fine, it's cool. 15, 20 breaths, you might get in the rhythm of things. You might even think that life is only breathing. It becomes the meditation, and you keep breathing, and that is your focus. It clears the mind. You accelerate oxygen to your body. You force carbon out, changing your body to alkaline, making it less acidic, holding less stress. It's proven. It's beautiful. And on your last breath, and letting go, find complete relaxation. Let go of what you're holding on to in your shoulders, your hands, your knees. Fall into your couch, fall into the floor. Let go of what you're holding on to in your face. Balance your tailbone and the back of your neck, riding up your spine straight. Sit peacefully and enjoy the body that you have and what you've done and if you do push yourself, you will feel the change. And the reward will be sitting and basking in a highly oxygenated body and experiencing the alkaline. Now you sit and feel yourself, and remember, you're still not breathing. Sit peacefully, accept it all, let go of all thoughts. The thoughts are coming through, accept them, they are what they are. Any sore muscles, let go of it all. Anything you're holding on to, let go. When the mind is at peace, you use very little oxygen, and meditation is very calm and very effective. Now the subconscious is going to push into you. You're running out of air. You're out of your rhythm. You need not worry. Tell it. Strengthen your mind in doing something challenging. Remind it that I can go further and I won't disappear. It is beautiful, it is safe, it's super powerful. And if you can push yourself through challenging things daily, challenging things become less of an effort. It's so much easier. You've been holding your breath for as long as you can. You're gonna take your breath in because you well deserve it. It almost comes, it's not hard. You're desperate for it, but you don't do as deep of an inhale as usual. You just get that first bit of oxygen, and then you realize you're in your body. You're back, you're here, you're with us. Every breath is appreciated. Life becomes simple. What is appreciated is breath at first, and everything else comes to you. What you had in your day, what you need, what you love. You get to decide all these things. You get to decide what you think in practicing mindfulness. Now, if you need any advice, hints, tips, if you want to listen to my voice more, check out True Glue Talks, Super Glue Music, and I'll recommend the most peaceful way of doing this that I've seen and heard is laying down. You'll fall into yourself the most. Sitting cross-legged with my back leaning is my favorite. Dive into yourself, push yourself, do what you love to do. I love you. Talk soon, tuning out.